Oh my god, guys, guess what? I bought myself a food truck. I bought myself a food truck, yes. So, recently I was made redundant. I got fired recently. So I used my payout and bought myself a brand new business. Well, not so brand new. I'm gonna turn it into a brand new business, but you get my gist, yeah? Bought myself a food truck. Food truck, yay! So yeah, so today's cleaning day. So we're gonna clean up and see what needs to be done. As you can see, there's not so much work needs to be done inside the food truck except for the other works that we need to do, such as painting. As you can see, the roof needs a new sky glass or window, or whatever you call that. And we will also be cutting out the concession door. Yes, my little puppy come in and greet me. So cute. Back to cleaning. Yep. This actually, doesn't look so dirty at first, but it was very dirty. Very. So yeah, you can see the finish, how it looks at the end. The lighting isn't so good, but it definitely looks a lot more cleaner than it looks right now on the video. Clean out the fridge, and yeah, everything looks spick and spank. Also, follow the next video to see how we got our concession window with these guys, and this is a story you need to hear.
Even in my wildest dreams.